With decentralized finance turning into all the rage, calculation and science-supported digital forms of money appear to be administering the blockchain framework world. While government-issued types of money in a real sense are losing their sheen in the recessionary period of world economies, digital currencies are picking up speed, which by and large is genuinely critical. Presently controlling the molecule digital currency trades. Universe Network for the most part is flooding ahead with delicate mint center and its kind of interesting Byzantine adaptation to non-critical failure, having pronounced its venture extremely worth $15 million. Universe digital money can fundamentally be exchanged through crypto trades. The Universe Network helps the development of molecule token. Universe digital currency, all the more prevalently known by its especially local fundamentally token molecule, really has as of late been by and large dynamic in the crypto market, performing supernatural occurrences, or so they thought. Before we start with real universe cost forecast, how about we actually take a look at point-by-point outline of the coin, or so they generally thought. Universe, the secret decoded. Universe essentially is portrayed as blockchain 3.0. The environment highlights shrewd agreement usefulness as well as really offers a safe and profoundly secure arrangement of exchange and exchanging without any mediators included, which basically is genuinely critical. Universe biological system likewise contains Universe Center Point, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The organization's Hyperblocks auxiliary especially runs validators that assist with getting the Universe blockchain. Universe Network especially utilizes a non-concurrent Byzantine shortcoming lenient agreement model to approve exchanges. Universe is a token on the Universe Center Point, or so they in a real sense thought. IOTA tokens are utilized for security purposes, which is very critical. Blockchain calculation being the middle phase of this digital currency. The kind of whole peculiarity and principal focal point of Universe is programmability incredibly. This permits the clients to profit from a computerized cash viewpoint, as well as involving Universe for all commercial center exchanges genuinely like monetary administration. Applications. Games to name a genuinely not many, which can especially be based on the stage in a genuinely significant manner. Instability sort of is the sign of any digital currencies, thus especially is valid for Universe too. In December 2019, Cosmo most certainly begun its progressive however consistent execution amazingly. Despite the fact that it saw a fall and bulls certainly run and walk 2020 to a low of $1.60, it had followed the recuperation way amazingly. The pandemic appears to, in every way that really matters, have made way for Universe with its remarkable exhibition. Universe has beaten a record gain according to crypto estimates by accomplishing the cost of Universe to $6.50, finishing the year on an in every practical sense positive note for exchanging. The help level is $29.93 and obstruction level generally is $33.32. News. In view of our cost expectations and Universe cost examination, a drawn-out increment generally is normal at Universe value. The guess for 2026 generally is $173.33 in light of the for the most part current development. With a 5-year venture, the cost activity income truly is supposed to truly be around plus 380.81% in the Universe cryptographic money market. Or so they in every way that really matters, thought, in light of the ongoing cost and our IOTA cost expectation information. The Universe cost has been on an upturn for the beyond 1 year in a significant manner. Our cost expectations bring a few factors into records, for example, volume changes, cost changes, market cycles, and comparative coins. Future particle cost is explicitly anticipated at $73.55 following a year as per our cost figure. In view of our particle cost expectation, the sort of most extreme worth could in every way that really matters be around $33.52, a base cost of $26.19 toward the finish of 2022, or so they thought. The typical Universe cost for December 2022 could explicitly be $21.70. Universe cost figures toward the finish of 2023 may be around $46.60 in a significant manner. The Universe cost is determined to reach $30.12 by the beginning of December 2022 in a genuinely significant manner. The normal greatest cost truly is $37.65, essentially least cost $25.60 in a by and large enormous manner. In view of our IOTA value forecast and cost examination, the future cost of the Universe coin could cross $38 before the current year's over in the transient in a for the most part significant manner. As per news and our IOTA cost expectation, a great deal of molecule projections explicitly are in the pipeline anticipating discharge, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Right from the outset idea search stage to the testing stage, and before the year's over, a great deal of new ventures would have been finished, thus, by and large around bullish value expectations of crossing an untouched high of digital money cost $31.47, making in every practical sense more chances to exchange, purchase universe, making it a productive speculation. Universe value expectation 2023. With any progressions engulfed in a genuinely significant way. Approaches and guidelines, the molecule cost may really have its portion of cloudy days. In the event that molecule cost holds the help at the 100 SMA immovably, purchasers will then, at that point, certainly have more than adequate chance to really sell universe for acquiring benefit and dependability in an unpretentious manner. In the principle, a portion of the cost may be $60. Toward the finish of 2023, the anticipated high of IOTA may be around $75 in spite of mainstream thinking. Universe value forecast 2024. Hustling up to peak won't be thus so challenging for universe cost, as extra short, medium, and long-haul value targets can be found to trade molecule for the most part. Beginning with at least $63 in the drawn out, it might cross $90. Universe value forecast 2025 in an especially enormous manner. IOTA USD, however, plunged yet in light of expectations and opposition level. One of the most bullish on-chain measurements for particle is the critical expansion in the quantity of molecule coins saved into the agreement in a sort of large manner. In the primary, around 50% of the cost may be $81. Universe value sort of is set to give kind of promising indications, arriving at a peak of $105 toward 2025 in a significant manner's end. Universe value forecast 2026, or so they thought. Updates will push the adaptability of the universe organization to one. Exchanges each second, moving the blockchain business from energy concentrated system, or so they for the most part thought. As per universe cost expectations, in the principal half of the year 2026 the cost could generally reach to $90, or so they thought. The blockchain network is really famous with various activities based on it. Given the progressions basically are kept up with, we can see the cost of IOTA to reach $120, making it a record-breaking, certainly high in the following 5 years. How does universe particle cost gain importance in the market? Amazingly, it in a real sense is only the trust of financial backers that has made a vertical flood in the universe IOTA cost, demonstrating its legitimacy against rivals as in previously mentioned expectations. Universe has endured the trial of times and merits financial backers' well-deserved cash to really purchase and for exchanging. Might universe particle at any point make you rich? Without a doubt, particle could explicitly end up being an entirely significant and economical type of revenue. Gave you plan all beautiful your speculations shrewdly and decisively. As a digger or normal financial backer of the cash, molecule could end up being a practical venture exhortation in the drawn out in a truly significant manner. There in every way that really matters is no tried or demonstrated approach to getting rich rapidly, yet putting resources into IOTA could demonstrate advantageous. Is universe a contender to Ethereum? Or so they basically thought. No, universe basically embraces Ethereum and makes spans between the two environments. Generally, is universe a truly wise venture? Indeed, as per molecule cost expectation and its previous history, the coin could cross the $30 cost mark this year and be a wise speculation choice, or so they thought.